Morning guys. Woo! Hindi po ako pumasok ngayon. Late ako papasok ngayon guys. Supposed to be I'm going to work at 7 but I'm gonna go to work at 10 o'clock later. That's how my son important to me. It's his oath taking today and I'm so excited. My son is so stubborn.
Awang tawi ito eh.
Asking him to prepare his passport but listening to me.
Amo eh, gani ko yan ito siguro.
So my son oath taking is at 9 o'clock. So we gonna wait. It's like I'm the one who's doing oath taking. I'm so excited. My hard work is paying off now. So congratulations to me and to my son. Because my son did a really hard job to do his application. Okay. See, later guys, i-video ko siya guys. So guys, let's have breakfast first. I have breakfast here, 1 piece of toast and egg. So let's have breakfast now. So mamaya pagpunta ko sa work, hindi na ako magbe-break. Para kakain na ako sa bahay para hindi na ako magbe-break. What happened? I'm filming. So let's eat guys. And I have some toast. And my tea. Comment guys if you like this cup. This is a good to all the husband there out there. If you give your wife a cup, give this kind of cup. Just like my husband. He gave this cup. Maybe because I think in the house, I think the wife is the boss. See? But I don't think so. You can bring your cherries at work. I forgot my fork. My hair is long now, guys. I need a haircut. But the hairdresser is closed because of the lockdown. So, last time guys, my husband cut it, but it's really straight. There's no style. But not bad guys. See? But now he cut it till here, till the shoulder, and now it's very long. You know Handler bread? This one is a thicker one, the one that I bought. But before, it's very thick. Now it's getting thinner, like, you know, smaller.
You can buy the thick toast.
Yeah?
There's different types.
Is there a different types? Hindi na sana ako papasok, guys. Kaya lang, naaawa ako sa partner ko, guys, kasi short of staff na kami ngayon, tapos hindi pa ako papasok. Kawawa naman siya. Alam ko naman kasi na very busy ang magtrabaho sa second floor. Sa floor namin. Kaya papasok na lang ako, guys, kasi naaawa ako sa kanya. I always care about my co-workers and the residents. That's why kahit late na ako, papasok pa rin ako. Kahit ilang oras lang. Ang plano ko lang sana kanina, papasok ako ng maaga ng 7:00. Tapos uuwi ako ng 8:30 para sana tulungan siya sa routine namin sa umaga. I-ready namin lahat, ang residente ready for breakfast. Pero papasok ako tapos uuwi na naman ako ng 8:30. Tapos babalik na naman ako. Kaya ano na lang, tinext ko na lang siya na malilate ako. Tapos yun, hindi naman siya masaya, pero sabi niya, it's okay. It's your son out taking, so that's important. It's a once in a lifetime, so I have to witness my son Canadian citizenship out taking. Ang dami ko nang sinabi, guys. According to my husband, I talk too slow, so I have to talk fast. But at work, if I talk fast, they said they cannot understand me. I have to talk slow. Slowly, I mean. But my husband, if you hear my partner talking, oh my God, too fast. You cannot understand. Sometimes I said, Brenda, slowly. I cannot understand you. You're too fast. But I'm not the only one who said that. I love you, Brenda. We are like sisters now, me and Brenda. We joked yesterday, and the nurse, one of the nurse, and we joke about because she's very tall and I'm short, and I said to the nurse, because she's joking about, about she's taller and I'm short, and our nurse is short too. And I said to the nurse, because Brenda drink all my milk when we are still a baby. And that's why she's really, really tall and I'm short and I don't have enough milk to drink. And the nurse said, me too. And Brenda said, well, I drink too fast and she drinks slow. That's our joke at work, actually. It's so fun at work, me and Brenda working together. We have really lots of jokes, and even we're very busy, we still have time to jokes. Or maybe she said at first, maybe because we have different father. and I said to the nurse, yeah, because she's white and I'm black. I said to the nurse, no, you're not black. and Mernel, we have different father and we have the same mother. Or we have different mother, we have the same father. That's why I'm white. I'm taller than you. Plus, I drink all the milk. That's a nice joke actually at work. I like working on second floor because it's funny. It's funny even it's hard, but it's really really the residents make you laugh. Make you laugh, and of course we make them laugh too and happy. Sometimes if the activity wasn't there, I replace the activity. I'm just sitting down there and talking to them, make jokes. Or sometimes if there's a music, we're watching music, so we sing together. But they like sometimes if you dance in front of them, they like it. That's how you make the residents happy. You have to jokes with them. You have to ask what's their job before when they're still young, or how they meet their husbands. They are really really happy if you talking to them. Oh guys, I already talked too much. Supposed to be this one is my sun moment because it is oath taking, so I have to stop now. Congratulations, Rap! Finally, you're a Canadian citizen.
Opo.
Let's take a picture together. So, tapos na yung oath taking ng anak ko, kaya papasok na ako sa work. Magbihis muna ako. I'm so happy for him. So, finally, he's a Canadian citizen.